Everyone talks about the big iOS 26 features, but Apple hid dozens of incredible tricks that change how you use your iPhone every day. I'm Protech Genius, and I'm revealing the 4 best hidden features and how to activate them right now. Hidden Feature 1, Custom Snooze Duration, Clock. Finally, Apple killed the arbitrary 9-minute snooze. You can now set your snooze time from 1 to 15 minutes for each alarm. Open the Clock app. Tap the Alarms tab. Select an existing alarm. And look for the new Snooze Duration button at the bottom. Hidden Feature 2, Selective Text Copy, Messages. No more copying a whole long text just to grab a link or a password. You can now select just a snippet. Go into the Messages app. Long press on a text bubble. Tap Select, and then use the blue handles to highlight only the specific words or link you need to copy. Hidden Feature 3, Quick Ringtone Creation, Files. Setting a custom ringtone used to be a nightmare with GarageBand. Now it's instant, right from the Files app. Open the Files app and locate any MP3 or M4A file under 30 seconds. Long press the file. Tap Share, and then select Use as Ringtone. Done. Hidden Feature 4, Full Contact Call History, Phone. The Phone app used to only show recent calls. Now, you can see the full, multi-year history for any contact. Go to the Phone app. Tap Recents. Find a contact. And tap their name to see their full call log, spanning months or even years. These hidden features make iOS 26 much better. But if you hate the new liquid glass look and feel that iOS 26 introduced, I have the perfect fix for you. Go check out my guide on how to get rid of that transparent blur, how to turn off liquid glass on iPhone, iOS 26. Hit that like button, subscribe to Protech Genius for more iOS secrets, and check out that essential liquid glass video on the screen now.